Welcome to the last video of the steering system build. In this video I will be finish welding, cleaning up and painting all the parts. First part is for the left steering brake. Lots of bearing brackets which will mount the system to the hull of the Nashorn. The straps on the right were cut off camera somewhere in between other jobs. The part I'm welding here is for the left steering brake. The stick of the right steering brake is in the way, so needed an extra bracket. Now it's the turn for the clutch pedal assembly to be welded up. The right hand steering brake assembly is next. The bend at the top of the sticks will be added later. The Allen bolt heads will be cut down so it looks nicer, also the threads will be shortened. This strap is going to be linked directly to the gearbox lever. The fork I'm welding on here is for adjustments. Little job in between. The threads for the grease nipple were short, so drilled a larger hole and then weld it completely so I can drill and tap it again. More welding needed on the clutch pedal. I'm cutting a groove for enough penetration. I used a piece of profile plate similar to the rear floor plate inside the Nashorn for the pedal. This bracket here is for the clutch. You can see the two holes in one arm. First it had only one, but to make the clutch operate lighter I added one more hole closer to the bearing, which made a big difference. These are the brackets for the clutch assembly bearings, so I can mount them to the original mounts in the Nashorn. Next job is to clean all parts for paint. Lots and lots of grinding and a bad camera position. And finally paint. If you have suggestions for videos or improvements, let me know in the comments. If you want to see more of these videos, subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you at Millitracks 2020 when we will drive around with the Nashorn.